It's one of those days that just will not get light out. It's like 9 o'clock and it's still hard to see anything. It's just like you're mowing under a blanket of water. Rain is just pouring down, streams are full right up. But I gotta get this job done, on to the next one. Snow level's moving down on the next mountain I'm going to, so I want to get this one done and over to the next one. Big news, you guys. This is the last mowing video I will ever do. I'm selling my business. I'm getting out of it completely. Be sure to check out the details at the end of the video so you know what's coming up. Woo, baby, we're cranking down the road. Yeah, I love being farm exempt. Woo, getting wild. Oh, Nessie. Whoop-de-doo. Oh yeah, it's squirrely going that fast. Every once in a while you'll come to a gate where there's a lock on it that is not supposed to be there. I don't have a key to it, so I have to cut it off and put the right lock back on. There we go. Got the little bugger. Had to come off in pieces, but holy smokes, what a pain in the butt. People leave all kinds of weird stuff up here in the mountains. Somebody left a chair up here, but it looks pretty solid. I'm gonna try and I'll sit in it, see if I can sit in it here. Yeah, it's a solid chair. But what I want to do is see what it looks like to mow it. Well, that was fun. Time to get my lunch out. There we are, hot tamales on a cold day. Kind of crazy, check this out. So yesterday I switched my blades and put new bolts on. And yeah, already by the end of the day, I started feeling this wobble, like my blade was uneven. The deck just kind of shakes a little bit. And this morning, sure enough, I got out and checked it. And even though it's a brand new bolt, you can see it just shattered right off. They just don't hold up. I'm gonna change it now. New bolt on there, new as in old. Because if you put a brand new bolt on, and it doesn't match the same weight as that, your whole bar is just gonna shake really bad. It's super funny. I actually used to keep stuff like that and had kind of a wall in the shop. I called it my wall of shame, where I broke things, and pretty soon I realized that the wall was filling up too much, so I had to just scrap it all. And there's definitely a lot of overhead with this type of heavy equipment. And once you kind of like go through 10 seasons of this sort of work, you know, like my business has been going for 12 years now, you kind of learn what's going to break next, and you can kind of plan on it and be preventative with your maintenance, which ends up saving you a lot of time in the end. So it's not so much a matter of being able to operate a machine. Any monkey can get behind a machine and learn how to operate it. It's a matter of learning how to anticipate your overhead and how to bid things properly. There we go, all changed, ready for some heavier brush. Let's get her done. Yep, one of those days. Something happened. Now my blades, when you go turn the blades on, nothing happens. So I gotta figure out what's going on. All right, what's going on? Aha! Look at that. Rock disconnected my butt connector here again. Dang it. I don't know if I have my wiring pliers with me. Well, I don't have my wiring pliers with me, so I'll have to make do with what I got. I got an extra butt connector and some needle nose. Hopefully I can make it work with that. Wiring pliers and a razor knife. Not the easiest way to connect a butt connector, but hey, I got it all taken care of. Hopefully it works. Let's see. All right, we are in business. I think this is the end of the line for us here. It's too narrow. You can tell there's been quads go through here, but from there to there is 8 feet, and I need 8.5 feet for my tractor to go. It's a rock face right there, so my side boom would hang up, so I'm not gonna be able to make it through here. Yeah, I just don't want to risk it. I mean, that is a straight drop off. So that's it for us. Well guys, like I said, this is my last mowing video. After 4 generations of woodsmen before me, I'm going to be leaving the mountains and taking on a job in the valley close to home. It's definitely bittersweet for me, and I would just say there's really no amount of money or nature's beauty that's worth sacrificing time away from my family. It's taken me 12 years to realize that I'm a people person. I don't do well day after day by myself, and that all factors into why I'm going to be leaving the mountains. Tell you what, I'm definitely not going to miss all the sketchy shenanigans that we always used to run up on. But I definitely think that I'm going to miss all of the beauty. It's just amazing country that I get to work in. No, I won't get to see it every day like I have been for the last 12 years. I'm still planning on getting out in the hills and going for hikes with the family. I tell you what though, guys, I am really looking forward to getting to see more of these guys. They're the best part of my life, hands down. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm planning on bringing you along for the adventure of switching careers completely from woodsman to being a project manager for a construction company. So be sure and hit the subscribe button, throw a like my way, and be sure and comment end of the road Nate. Why are you saying end of the road Nate? Well, it's end of the road, but we got new beginnings, everybody. All coming up on Nateness TV. It's just my life.